Hi, and welcome to our series of bite-sized videos on making the difference in GCSE mathematics. In today's video, we're going to be looking at what support we can offer to students looking to progress from grade 1 to grade 2. So on screen, we can see some areas where we see improved student performance at grade 2 compared to at grade 1. So things like being able to work out fractions of amounts, percentages of amounts. Algebra features quite heavily. Grade 2 students are a lot more successful at solving simple two-step linear equations than their grade 1 counterparts, and they're also a lot more successful in substituting values. In terms of statistics, we're looking at a lot more success in dealing with things like two-way tables and also starting to comprehend and work with averages and range. So let's take a look at some of the resources available to support these students. I'd really heavily recommend at this level using our Edexcel Award in Number and Measure Level 1 themed papers. These are themed by topic. Here you can see an example of the fractions and percentage one, and are really fantastically pitched for students working at this level, building up those key skills. Another great resource are our GCSE Foundation Tier check-in tests by topic. These are really great for students working at this level. They get to experience some success, and it also gives you a really clear picture of what it is that they can do and what areas they are currently working towards. Next up, we've got our Achieving a Grade 2 practice papers. There are two sets here, each set containing 3 papers of past papers from the real exams that have been successful for our grade 2 candidates. I'd also highly recommend our 1 mark starters as just perfect retrieval practice of all those key skills, particularly for students working in that grade 1 to grade 3 kind of working level. And lastly, a reminder of our reordered papers. These are fantastic because they allow you to home in on the questions that students are likely to be successful in, and it allows them to get that clear sense of progress as they're able to progress further into the paper. What's particularly helpful with these reordered papers is that they include a helpful note to show students when they've done, for example, here the first 11 questions, that full marks scored up to that point would be enough for them to achieve that nominal grade 2 on the paper. So it allows them that really clear sense of what level they're working at and how they're progressing. What's also useful for you as a teacher is that the mean marks are included, and that allows you to see which topics your individual student is performing better or worse on compared to the rest of the cohort, and allows you to much more successfully tailor their learning to their individual strengths and weaknesses. This video is part of your subject advisor support from Pearson. I'm Vicky Wood, your subject advisor for Maths and Statistics, and on screen you can see all of the different ways that you can get in touch with me if you'd like any further support. And you can download these slides using the link below to use the links and take you direct to all of the resources that we've covered in today's video.